Hello 4th class children, good morning, very good morning. In the last class, what I told you, what you learned? Yes, lesson 2, the bell of 3 question and answers, I gave notes. Have you all copied the notes? Okay, writing notes is very important. Try to habituate that, learn spellings well, and every Saturday you are writing the online objective test. Yes, okay. If you write notes, it will be easy for you to prepare for that exam. Okay, ma? Okay, and have you all listened to the video Bell of Earth 3? Okay. Okay, ma? In this class, I want to tell you the new lesson. Okay, next lesson, lesson 3. What is our lesson 3 name? Henry. You know, Henry. Okay, lesson 3, Henry. Henry. Who is this Henry? You know? It's a beautiful chameleon. So, chameleon means oosaraville anamata. Okay, it's like squirrel. Okay, chameleon. So, this chameleon picture I will post in your WhatsApp group. You once see it. This chameleon speciality is it changes its skin color. Okay, suppose it is on the green leaves, it appears in green color. Suppose it is on the branch of the tree. What is the color of the branch of the tree? Is like somewhat brownish. Yes. So it appears in brown color. If it is on a fruit like orange, it appears in orange color. It is the speciality of chameleon. Okay, so chameleons, squirrels, lizards, these are all same category. So these are all reptiles. Okay, listen. Okay, here is one activity that given below are descriptions of some famous animal characters. Match to them to the animals they describe. So here they gave. So not only this story, Henry's story regarding to the chameleon, but there were also some stories regarding to few animals. Okay, animals మీద ఇంకా కథలు ఉన్నాయంట. So they told that Black Beauty was created by Arthur Anna Sewell. Black Beauty is loyal and helps his owner and friend to earn money by pulling carriages. So Black Beauty and nothing but it's not rabbit, it's not mouse, it's not fox, it's a horse. Black Beauty is a horse. So like Henry lesson, Black Beauty lesson is there. So that Black Beauty, who is that? Horse. So horse named Black Beauty. So in that lesson, Anna Sewell, one author, wrote about Black Beauty. Next, so Black Beauty is horse. You have to match this to the horse. Okay. In Rudyard Kipling's The Jungle Book, Akela. So Akela, one character is there who lets the Seoni pack with strength and cunning adopts the lost child Mowgli. So it's nothing but fox. These all are the stories who already they have written in the books about the animals, what the cunning things they did in that. So they are all small stories. If you can watch them in the YouTube, the Jungle Book is there. Okay, Jungle Book song also some children will sing. Yes or no? Mowgli will be there, no, in that Jungle Book. Have you all remembered? Very good. So it's about that Jungle Book story, Black Beauty story, and Peter was created by the author Beatrix Potter. Peter is naughty. He does not listen to his mother and gets into trouble all the time. He enters farms without permission to eat carrots and radishes. So Peter, one rabbit story is there. So that rabbit story is rabbit Peter. What is the lesson name? Peter. Okay, it's a naughty rabbit. So it's also a funny story. The author of that story was Beatrix Potter. Okay, next. Stuart Little was created by author E.B. White. Stuart got adopted by the Little family as their second son. Stuart is a small and because of that gets into a lot of trouble. His family loves him as much as he loves them. but the house cat is not very fond of him. So it's the story of a mouse, small mouse. So nothing but it's a small activity. This I will post in your WhatsApp group. You can match this, okay, for fun. Just you go through the lessons in the YouTube, so that this all lessons will come there. So slowly whenever you are free, you can listen to the lessons of Black Beauty and Peter lesson and Jungle Book. You all love Jungle Book, yes? Yes, okay. Now coming to the lesson, we want to hear what is the name of this chameleon? Henry. Henry. Listen, this is the story of Henry, our pet chameleon. Chameleons are no ordinary reptiles. They are easily distinguished by certain outstanding marks from their nearest relatives, the lizards. It's just look like lizard, but it has some special qualities. So what are that qualities you see here? A chameleon's tongue is as long as its body. So the tongue of the chameleon is very long. On its head is a rigid crest which looks like a fireman's helmet. So on the head of that chameleon there is a small crest like helmet, fireman's helmet. So for even hens also you can see that a small crest, red color crest will be there. Yes, okay, I will post this figure chameleon picture in the group. You once watch it, okay. Its limbs are long and slender. Slender means very thin. What is the meaning of slender? Very thin. And its fingers and toes are developed than those of other reptiles. So how these squirrels and chameleons will climb on the trees with the help of the fingers and toes. So that fingers and toes are more developed than those of other reptiles. Many people believe that the chameleon is a dangerous and poisonous reptile. Yes, usually when you see the lizard also, you will be somewhat afraid of that. Yes or no? Yes, we will shout like anything like that. By seeing this chameleon also, some people believe that this chameleon is a very dangerous and poisonous reptile. Okay. When grandfather was visiting, so okay, up to here about that chameleon, and now coming to the story, the boy is explaining this story. Okay, here that boy's grandfather found a chameleon near the garden gate. So what it was doing at that time? See once. When grandfather was visiting a friend, he came upon a noisy scene at the garden gate. So noisy scene means so many people are standing there and shouting and they want to hit that, they want to hit the chameleon. So they are throwing the stones and shaking the sticks. Okay, listen. Men were shouting, hurling stones and brandishing sticks. The cause of all this was a chameleon who had been discovered sunning himself on a shrub. So it was hiding in a shrub. Ante akkada oka chinna పొదలాగా ఉందన్నమాట. ఆ పొదలో దాంకుంది chameleon. So they want to hit that. That's why hurling means throwing stones. Okay, they are throwing the stones. The gardener declared, so the gardener who was there in that garden, he declared that it's very dangerous, we want to hit it, we want to kill it, like that he was shouting. The gardener declared that it was a thing of capable of poisoning people at a distance of 20 feet. Oh, it's a very poisonous thing, poisonous, we should hit that, like that he was shouting. And as a result, the entire household had risen in arms. Grandfather was in time to save the chameleon from certain death. So the boy's grandfather was standing there and he want to save the chameleon. Why all are trying to hit that chameleon? Don't hit that. Let we take that chameleon and leave it in any forest, or we do anything. Okay, don't hit that, like that the grandfather told, and he bring back that chameleon to the house. So it became their pet chameleon. So వాళ్ళు దాన్ని పెంచుకోవడం స్టార్ట్ చేశారన్నమాట. Okay, understood? Listen. Grandfather was in time to save the chameleon from certain death and brought the little reptile home. That chameleon was Henry, and they named that chameleon హెన్రీ. దానికి ఒక పేరు పెట్టి వాళ్ళ ఇంటికి తీసుకొచ్చి పెంచుకుంటున్నారన్నమాట. And that was how he came to live with us. So chameleon become the family member among that family. ఆ ఫ్యామిలీలో chameleon కూడా ఒక మెంబర్ అయిపోయింది. సో ఫ్రమ్ దట్ డే ఆన్వర్డ్స్ దే ఆర్ లుకింగ్ దట్ chameleon and it became their very good pet. Next, Henry was harmless creature. So అది ఎవరిని ఏమి చేయదు, ఇట్స్ వెరీ harmless creature అది. Provided I was patient, Henry was willing to take food from my hands. So that boy was keeping food in his hand so that the chameleon used to come near that food and take. This he did very swiftly. Swiftly means very fast. So fast గా వచ్చి ఆ ఫుడ్ తినేసి వెళ్ళిపోయేది అనమాట. లైక్ okay, very fast, it used to come very fast and take the food from the hands of the boy. His tongue was the sort which came back to him with the food and insect attached to it. So with the chameleon has a very long tongue, I told no. So with the help of the tongue it used to take the food. Before I could realize what had happened, the grasshopper held between my fingers would be lodged between Henry's jaws. So one day between his fingers, one grasshopper was held between my fingers, would be lodged between Henry's jaws. So it used to eat that grasshopper also. Dead insects are their food. Next, Henry did not cause any trouble in our house. Henry did not cause trouble in our house. It won't trouble any of them in the house. But he did create something like a riot. Riot means what? A situation in which group of people make a lot of noise and trouble. So by seeing that everybody will shout yes or no, like that somewhat noisy scene it will create sometimes. In the nursery school down the road it happened like this. So once this chameleon went to the nursery school. Nursery school means who will be there? Very small children, yes or no? By seeing this chameleon they used to shout like anything. Okay, that was the only thing it disturbed in the nursery school. Okay, when the papayas, okay, why it went, how it went to the school, you listen. When the papayas in our garden were ripe, grandmother usually sent a basket of them to her friend Mrs. Ghosh. So this boy's grandmother used to send the papayas to her friend Mrs. Ghosh. So Mrs. Ghosh, who is she? Who was the principal of the nursery school? Nursery school principal grandmother wala friend anamata. So in their garden they used to get good papayas in our garden were ripe. So papayas anni kuda oka basket lo petti grandmother sent that basket to the Mrs. Ghosh, who was the principal of the nursery school. On this occasion, slowly Henry managed to smuggle himself into the basket of papayas. Smuggle means move things secretly without seeing anyone. This Henry went into the basket and hide among the papayas. Papayas madhyalo daankundanamata. So what is the quality of this chameleon? What I told, so on which it will be there, in that color it will appear, ante aa color lo kalisipotundi, so that no one can identify that chameleon. Slowly it hide among that papayas and it appeared in green color, so that nobody found that chameleon. Evaru kanukolekapoyaranamata. Slowly it smuggled into the basket, hide secretly into the basket. Okay, on this occasion Henry managed to smuggle himself into the basket of papayas when no one was looking. Evaru chudakunda vellipoyindi. The gardener dutifully means his duty is what the grandmother says that man will do. Okay, like that grandmother ordered the gardener, okay, give this basket to my friend Mrs. Ghosh, who is the principal in the nursery school, who was the principal in the nursery school. Okay, go there, go and give this basket to the Mrs. Ghosh. So the gardener dutifully carried the papayas across to the school and took them into Mrs. Ghosh's office. Slowly what the man did? Slowly he kept the basket on the table of the principal. Okay. When Mrs. Ghosh came in after making her rounds, she began admiring and examining the papayas. So she slowly took one papaya and examining the papayas. Ela unnayi ivi pandaya leda ani chustu unnaranamata. Suddenly Mrs. Ghosh, suddenly out popped Henry. Suddenly Henry come outside. Mrs. Ghosh screamed means shouted like anything. భయపడిపోయిందన్నమాట. Shouted like anything. Henry would probably have liked to blush a deep red, but he turned a bright green instead, as that was the color of the papayas. So the color of the papayas was green. That's why Henry also appeared in green color. Immediately Mrs. Ghosh screamed and thrown all the papayas out. Mrs. Ghosh assistant Miss Daniels rushed in, took one look at the chameleon and joined in the screaming. Andaru aravadam modalu pettarannamata. So they all joined in screaming. They are all shouting along with Mrs. Ghosh. Henry took fright and fled from the office, running down the corridor and into one of the classrooms. So this Henry also afraid of their shouting. Anta valandaru arustunnappadiki Henry kuda bhayapadipoyi he run into the classrooms. So then he climbed onto a desk while the children ran in all directions. So the children are also started screaming. Inka mottam andaru arupulu anamata. So that the children are also shouting. While the children ran in all directions, some to get away from Henry, some to catch him. So some children are trying to catch the chameleon, but some children are screaming and shouting and going in different directions. But Henry made his exit through a window and disappeared into the garden. Slowly it disappeared. Chinnaga mayamayipoyindi anamata. Garden lo kalisipoyindi. Grandmother heard all about the incident. So grandmother heard all about the incident from Mrs. Ghosh, but did not tell her that the chameleon was ours. So they are all stopped that. They didn't tell them the chameleon is ours and it came into the basket, and all this story they didn't tell. They quietly listen to the story. I did not think Henry would find his way back to us, but they thought that Henry went somewhere, it disappeared, inka mana intiki raadu, chameleon ekkadiko vellipoyindani baadapadaranamata. But suddenly, because the school was 3 houses away, but 3 days later I found him sunning himself on the garden wall, and he readily accepted some food from my hand. So Henry liked this boy's house. That's why after 3 days it again came back to the house and took the food from the boy's hand. Okay. In some houses you see that pet animals will be there, like dog, cat. Some used to rabbits also, rabbits, sparrows, birds. Yes or no? They used to keep food. Okay, so like that in this story also this boy used to grew up that pet chameleon. Okay, very beautiful lesson. I will post this lesson in your WhatsApp group. So once go through the textbook, okay, and learn new words, and ask your parents to make you to write dictation. Okay, today I will tell you the new words in this lesson. Once you take your notebooks and copy down the new words and learn the spellings, so that you will be thorough in spellings, and ask your parents to make you to write dictation. Okay ma? Okay, open your book and write lesson 3 heading chameleon. Okay, lesson 3 heading chameleons. Sorry, lesson 3 Henry, Henry, Henry. So first word, new words. Leave a line and write the first one, chameleon. CHAMELEON. Okay, leave a line and write the second word creature. C-R-E-A-C-R-E-A-T-U-R-E, creature. Third one, declared. D-E-C-L-A-R-E-D, D-E-C-L-A-R-E-D, declared. Fourth one, poisonous. P-O-I-S-O-N-O-U-S. Okay. Why I am writing like this means while telling you have to derive the letters and write. Okay. P-O-I-S-O-N-O-U-S. Okay. Fifth one, occasion. O-C-C-A-S-S-I-O-N, O-C-C-A-S-S-I-O-N, occasion. Okay. Sixth one, directions. Sixth one, directions. D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N-S, directions. Sixth one I am writing here, directions. Okay. D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N-S, directions. Next, seventh one, corridor. C-O-R-R-I-D-O-R, corridor. Okay. Once all of you go through these words, chameleon, creature, declared, poisonous, occasion, directions, corridor. Okay. These 7 words you practice well and learn. Okay ma. Enough for today. Take care. Bye.